Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing the Pendoo, a vacuum sealer. This is the model VS0319. So let's get opening it up and show you guys what all you get with this kit. So right away we see the brushed stainless steel. It gives a little instructions on how to use this. Right up here you see we got gentle, standard, dry, moist for mode. You got food, stop, vac, and seal, and then just seal. So we go ahead and open this up. They also do supply us with a spare one of these little foam pieces that go in here. So this up here would be the heating bar. This is where it would suck air through. They also do supply you with vacuum sealable bags as well as a manual, and this is for jars if you are going to be doing with jars. So let's go ahead and test how this actually works. Okay, so now that we got it plugged in, there is blue lights up here to let you know on which mode you select. So we're going to select gentle, and then we're going to select dry, and then what you do is you lift this up just like so, and we're going to go ahead and place the bags and the food that we want to vacuum seal. So why would you want to use a vacuum sealer? Well, to preserve your foods and make them last longer, to prevent your foods from being freezer burnt if you put it in the freezer, for prepping or just long-term storage. So we're going to go ahead and open this bag up, and we're going to put sugar in this bag for longer-term storage. Now you don't want to fill the bag up completely full. We can probably fill it a little bit fuller than that. So just keep in mind, whatever you're filling your bags with, don't go completely full. Then stretch it out, try and get it smooth. And you want to always have the bubbles, the ripples, facing the direction of the heating bar. So now we're going to go ahead and place this right down in the groove here. Try and get this as flat as we possibly can. And then we're going to lay this down. Make sure you press the corners very hard. So press here until you hear it click, and then press the other side until you hear it click. And now, since we're not just sealing, we're doing vac and seal. Just like that. And you wait until it stops, and you wait until the blue lights go away, because there's blue lights here. And then you just simply wait a little bit, and then you can press stop, or just simply open it up. And now we have it. Completely vacuum sealed sugar. No air getting in here. And now this will store much longer than if you had it just in a regular bag. So this vacuum sealer worked great. We're also going to vacuum seal some hot chocolate for longer term use as well. So they supplied us with even bigger bags, so we're going to go ahead and use them. Now, since these are already sealed in these little bags, we're going to go ahead and just keep them sealed in the bag, and then we're just going to place them in here. This will ensure that the seals stay sealed for a long time to come. So we go and do the same motion. Have the bubble side up. Get this nice and flat and smooth. Drop this down. Vac and seal. So I am very impressed. This definitely does seal really good. No issues whatsoever so far. I'll add an extra clip on the end of this video if there's any issues. I'll probably use it for a week or so before I actually edit this video and get it uploaded. So if I find any issues, I will add a clip after this, but for now, it works great. I think you guys will like it.